Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys this new wig that I received from Omgherhair. I got the 13x6 body wave wig. The length that I chose is 20 inches, and today I'll be showing you guys how I styled the entire unit on camera for you guys, as well as me laying the wig. Since this is their hdlacewig wig, I really didn't have to do anything to the hair other than style it. So it already came pre-plucked, and the knots were bleached as well. And here you can also see like the front, it looked really natural. The hairline, I just had to like customize it to my head. So I decided to do this side off of camera. The hair took heat really well, and also I did these curls with my flat iron. almost done with styling the hair. I did decide to trim the hair in the front a little bit. I just don't like it when the hair is all one length. I just wanted some layers in the front, so that's all I'm doing right here, and that's pretty much all I did to the wig. And this is how it came out. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys actually think of it. As far as the hair, I have to say the hair took heat really well. The hair is also extremely soft, and I also haven't experienced any tangling or shedding. I do have a discount code for you guys that I will list on the screen, and I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below. If you liked today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.